Hello, credit enthusiasts. We are TouchSuite merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to dive into the world of credit repair business evolution, navigating the world of merchant processing? Introducing TouchSuite. With over 20 years of experience in partnerships with major players like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, and many more, we've worked with over 50,000 merchants. Plus, our domestic US support is available 24/7. We're here when you need us. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below in the comments section. The shifting paradigm of credit repair. Explore the ever-evolving credit repair landscape, shaped by changing regulations and consumer demands. Discover how merchant processing plays a vital role beyond credit repair itself, fostering trust with clients. Credit repair merchant processing, a strategic imperative. Uncover the strategic approach needed for credit repair payment processing. Learn why partnering with providers who understand the industry's nuances is crucial for efficiency and client satisfaction. Accepting credit card payments, the cornerstone of success. Discover how accepting credit card payments goes beyond transactions, becoming a cornerstone of success. It enhances security, convenience, and client experiences, propelling your business forward. E-commerce gateway integration for credit repair. In the digital era, we delve into the integration of e-commerce gateways. This crucial tool enhances accessibility and cohesion in your credit repair services, boosting your online presence. The role of e-commerce merchant account. Learn how an e-commerce merchant account elevates your business's operational efficiency and security. It's tailored to the unique demands of credit repair services, harmonizing financial transactions seamlessly. High-risk considerations in credit repair merchant processing. Explore the high-risk nature of credit repair and the importance of selecting the right payment processing provider. Prioritize security, compliance, and expertise to ensure your business thrives. Building client trust through transparent credit card payment services. Trust is key in credit repair. Discover how transparent credit card payment services build and maintain client trust. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For trusted payment solutions, visit TouchSuite's website with over 20 years of experience. See you in the next video.